A world in crisis, a crisis that has been building for over 100 years. That does create a worldwide opportunity. There's a global infrastructure crisis in our pipe infrastructures. Aging assets, high replacement costs, most importantly, repair methods that were never designed for permanence, has created $1 trillion global emergency. The crisis has been too decentralized. It's creeped larger and larger to now it's overwhelming. There's no Coca-Cola. There's no candidates in the field for dominance. There must be a leader. There must be a new solution. There's only one option for both, tech bond. Current repair options are grossly inadequate. They do not do the job. Not one of the methodology used today restores structural integrity. There's no technology that works on HDPE pipe, the pipe of the future. Every industry needs a cost-effective, permanent repair solution that works across all pipe substrates and all materials. By repairing pipes instead of replacing them, industries will save billions. There are dozens upon dozens of industries who are involved in this crisis. Agriculture, mining, oil and gas, and water utilities are at the top end of need of demand. Each mile of pipe sees 10 to 30 cracks or failures per year. Average cost per failure, $10,000. That puts, because there's no permanent repair technology available, the replacement cost at $5 to $15 trillion per year. The complete lack of an effective repair system is a major cause of the crisis. Tech Bond has developed the first technology that creates permanent molecular continuity across all materials, polymer, non-polymer, all materials. It's a tremendous breakthrough in the field of material science, and the time for it is now. Molecular bonding and the Tech Patch Repair System, TPRS, restores structural integrity. Bonds HDPE, steel, PTFE-coated e-glass fabrics, elastomers, copper, cement, iron, handles everything. What it does that's critical is eliminate moisture intrusion, creep, delamination, and rust pathways. It creates the foundation for a universal repair platform across all industries. TechBond Global will organize and train the world. By doing so, we will increase efficiency and reduce costs by 50 to 90% on every repair over replacement job. Why does molecular integration work? Because it eliminates interfaces where you have a layer, then another layer, and another layer, and there's no connection. Molecular integration, as you see above, combines molecularly all the substrates, so there's no way for moisture to intrude, rust to intrude, and so on and so forth. The result, permanent structural repairs, which is what is needed. Imagine a single permanent repair technology that works on every pipe substrate for every industry. That makes it cost effective. If we're fixing all the pipes in the world, let's do it the right way. Let's establish standards. There was a company here in Central Ohio that developed standards for the natural gas industry in the U.S. We're working with them, UTI, to find out what they know, what they learned, what went well, what didn't. They had competition. We don't have competition. No other company has a technology, has a product, or even begins to understand the issues, or has the critical support that we have. And that support will allow us to establish an empire within a year. What traction does the Tech Patch repair system and Tech Bond have? The important traction is with the Indian Institute of Technology, the Indian School of Mines, one of the leading universities in the world in the mining industry. As far as the testing that has been done, we didn't just pass the test. TPRS just didn't pass the test. TPRS obliterated the competition. One final note, we have a pending contract with the U.S. Navy on rust prevention. We blew the competition out of the water again in the field trials. That will be coming shortly. Wish it was today. The business model. Let me share the income streams. Where we will get an immediate income stream is training and certification. The field is vast. Then we will sell individual kits, mini kits, and magnum kits, depending on the size of the audience. The polyfill is a tremendous product. With the polyfill, we can 3D print a solution on any surface. We can license into institutions. We will work with a major educational institution here in the U.S., in addition to ISM. Distribution will be global. The demand and the need is global. Royalty stream on all the above will go to TechBond Global, LLC. Our business model, business plans, training materials have been in development for 9 years. Why India first? They understood their crisis better. We had an immediate opportunity, and it's the fastest route to global standardization. Once we have ISM support, and that's huge, we will get global standardization. How much money will be made? What's the TAM? What is your return? These 10 items are the measuring sticks for a VC opportunity. Each of these fall in the top 10% of the category in the return to the investors. We will meet those goals. Our ask is $1 million for each operating unit. There will be a total of 4. Initially, we're starting with India and the U.S. All right, who's going to run this? I am, Don Myers, the founder. I've got the background, the IQ, the analytic ability. My mind is highly organized, systems first, and I have developed new solutions every place I have been. I have a broad range of skill sets in operations and sales and marketing and in management and in training. My goal throughout has been to solve problems, and there are a lot of problems that the pipe industry face. We'll solve them, period. One of my proudest accomplishments is to always get the team performing at a higher level than they ever performed before. We'll do that again. The team will include AI. AI has been a tremendous asset. AI knows a lot about TechBond at this point in time, ChatGPT specifically. Those inputs will transfer to every market that we open. This is the conclusion. The world is ready. Let's solve the crisis. It's there to be solved. We have the tools to do it. Please join me. Thank you.